You ever met someone that copies your vocabulary? And they always try to act like you aren't the reason they talk like that. Because I grew up in California but went to school in Tennessee, and people there spoke very differently. So when I first arrived, I met this guy that was from Tennessee, and he was super country. He grew up on a farm and talked like this. So whenever I saw him, I would always say, "What's up, fool?" Because that's just a word people in California said. And at first, he was confused because he didn't know what foo meant. But after a couple of weeks, every time he would see me, with his thick country accent, he would be like, "How's it going, foo?" But it was so funny because you could tell that was a word he never said before. And then when I asked when he started saying that word, he was like, "I've always talked like that." Yeah, okay, buddy. I'm honored when people start using my vocabulary though.